Olive oil and honey hair mask recipe for dry hair. Blend half a cup of honey and a quarter cup of olive oil and microwave for 30 seconds. Once the mixture has cooled, add a quarter cup of buttermilk and stir. Now, apply this mixture evenly all over your hair, and leave the honey mask on for about 30 minutes. Wear a plastic cap to prevent dripping. In the end, rinse out the mask with cool, lukewarm water and shampoo. For best results, use this hair mask recipe 3 times a month. How olive oil and honey hair mask recipe helps in hair growth. Olive oil has been used in hair care products for a very long time. It contains fatty acids like oleic acid, which help strengthen hair. It also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help keep fungal infections at bay. Olive oil was also found to be a natural conditioner. On the other hand, honey, being a humectant and containing proteins, minerals and vitamins, strengthens the hair follicles, curbing hair fall and baldness. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.